Good morning, grade 2. Today we are going to do the practice of 14 for maths, and we are on page number 136. I'll do some of them for you and you have to do the rest because it's a practice. We need to know how much you have learned so far. Okay, let's get started. Number 1 says, look at the pictures carefully and fill in the blanks. Over here we have a bucket called X, and there's this bucket fill up the two containers, the two beakers. If you look carefully, each beaker has how many liters? See over here, the number is written over here. So how many liters is it? 2, and this is 2. So 2 liter, and this is 2 as well. So 2 plus 2 is how much? Yes, 2 plus 2 is 4. So the volume of water is 4. We will write 4 in this box. Now look at this Y. It's a tank and the name of the tank is Y. So look here. Over here the beaker has 2 liters. This beaker has 2 again. And this has 2 again. And the last small beaker has only 1 liter. So we have to add them up. First we need to add these two. So 2 plus 2 is 4, right? This was 4. Now we need to add this. 4 plus 2. We added them and the answer was 4. Now we need to add this 4 to this 2. 4 plus 2 is 6 liters, right? Now 6 plus 1 is 7. So the volume of water is 7 liters. Now look at this jug. The jug's name is Z. Now if we look at here, it fills up 2 beakers and each beaker has only 1 liter in there, right? So 1 liter and 1 liter. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now let's read the problems, what they are asking. Container Y has dash liter more water than container X. Let's say how many liter does this Y had? Y had 7 liters, right? Now if we look at X had how many liters? X had 4 liters. So container Y has more water than container X. But how much more? We have to do this over here. Container Y had 7 and X had 4. So we need to find out how much more water does this X had. We have to minus. We have to take away 4 from 7. 7 in your mind and take away 4 and count till 7. After 4 is 5, 6, 7. So it is 3. So the answer is 3. So container Y has 3 liter more water than container X. Now what B says, container Z has dash liter less water than as a container X. Now you know X had 4 liter and Z had 2 liter. Do it by yourself. And now C says arrange the container in order beginning with the one that has the smallest amount of water. You have to start from the least amount. The amount of water are over here 4, 7 and 2. You guys should know which number is the smallest and which one is the greatest. Arrange them up over here. You need to write these names X, Y and Z. Moving on, we are on page 137 now. It says Jane bought 6 bottles of water. Each bottle contained 3 liters of water. There are 6 bottles and each bottle had 3. So it means there is so much water we need to add or multiply. How many liters of water did she buy altogether? We have to find the total amount of water that she bought. So let's do it. Number of bottles. How many bottles were there? Number of bottles were 6. And water in each is 3 liters. So now total water is 6 times 3. Again we are doing the times table. So 6 times 3. We should know that how much is 3 times 6. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18. So 18 liter. So she bought 18 liters altogether. Now the second says Safia shares 20 liters of oil equally with her friend Rosalind. How many liters of oil does each of them get? So we have a total of 20. And how many people do we have? We have Safia as number 1 and we have her friend Rosalind as number 2. So there are 2 people. So we have to divide them. We have to do this. So total oil is 20 liters and number of people that will take the oil. Number of people are 2. So each gets 20 divided by 2. In a table of 2, you need to know what comes for 20. 2 times what is 20? If you don't, try the other lining method we use. So do find the answer and let me know. And I hope it's clear to you. Do page 138 by yourself. I'll show you 138 page. It says barrel A contained 472 liters of oil. Barrel B contained 395 liters of oil. How much more oil does barrel contain than barrel B? Barrel A contain than barrel B. It's simple subtraction. And what is the volume of oil in both barrels? So it's a simple addition. I know you guys can do it. You guys are smart enough to figure it out. So do try it and let me know. Bye.